Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this playlist is empty problem on Spotify. So guys, if you're trying to play some songs or you're trying to find songs in playlist but you are seeing this problem and you're unable to find music or songs in the playlist, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check this, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and then you have to simply open your app store and search here for Spotify. Here it is. And now you have to simply download and install the latest version of Spotify app on your device. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply log out to your Spotify account from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply log in again your account on your Spotify app. So guys, for that you have to simply open your Spotify app and then go to your profile, and from here you can see you can add or remove account from here. So guys, once you do this, check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply change the country or region settings on your Spotify account. So guys, for that you have to simply open your browser and search here for spotify.com. So guys, here it is. And from here you have to simply log in your Spotify account on the website, and then you have to simply change the country or region settings on your Spotify account. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Spotify team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.